Good morning students. My name is Anurag Pandey and today we are going to study new chapter which is integers. Okay, so before studying integers, we should know what are natural numbers and whole numbers. So what are natural numbers? So natural numbers are numbers which starts from 1 and it goes till infinity. Whereas whole numbers are numbers which starts from 0 and it goes till infinity. Now we will try to understand what are integers. So the positive numbers 0 and the negative numbers together make a collection of numbers called integers. In other words, we can say the collection of natural number 0 and negative of natural number together form the collection of integer. We denote this collection by the symbol z or I. Now we will learn how to represent integers on a number line. Suppose we have to represent -4 on a number line. So here as you can see the given integer is negative. So we will count 4 numbers to the left of 0 and we will reach at -4. And now we will study something more about number line. As you can see, all the numbers on the number line are marked at equal distance. 0 is marked at the center. All the positive integers lie on the right side of 0 and all the negative integers lie on the left side of 0. So by this we have understood how to represent integers on the number line. Now we will study how to compare two integers. Okay, so a number on the right of another number is always greater. Every positive integer is greater than every negative integer as positive integers lie on the right side of negative integers. 0 is greater than every negative integer and smaller than every positive integer. A negative integer having smaller numerical value is always greater than the one having greater numerical value. For example, to compare -4 and -2, we observe which of the number is on the right of the other on the number line. As -2 lies to the right of -4, so -2 is greater than -4. Now we will study what is absolute value of an integer. The absolute value of an integer is its numerical value regardless of its sign. In other words, the distance of an integer from 0 irrespective of the direction is called the absolute value of an integer. So here if we want to find absolute value of 4, so which will be equal to 4. So basically absolute value is the distance of an integer from 0 irrespective of the direction. Now we will study what is the meaning of additive inverse. When an integer is added to its opposite, the sum becomes 0. So an integer and its opposite are called the additive inverse of each other. Now if you want to find out the additive inverse of -4. So additive inverse of -4 is 4. Why? Because when we will add -4 and 4, we will get 0. Now if we want to find additive inverse of 5. So additive inverse of 5 will be -5. Why it will be -5? Because when we will add 5 and -5, we will get 0. Thank you.